Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 23rd, 2020. Here to give you all this update on basic attention token, also known as BAT, paired against Tether. And you can tell by a price chart that the market definitely did not go the way that we expected it to go. And it goes like that a lot of times. The last time we did our video in BAT, and matter of fact, was on the 23rd day of February 2020. So it's been a very long time in the market for us to do an update in BAT. So we wanted to do one today. And here we are taking a look at BAT. Before I get started, hit that like button, share the video, follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to get more updated information about the cryptocurrency space. And if you in fact do become one of our members, pick one of our packages. You can ask us any questions that you would like for us to answer regarding cryptocurrency. If you think it's a buy, sell, what you think, give us our opinions as to what we see on the price chart for whatever cryptocurrency you're interested in. All right, so now, market didn't go the way we wanted it to go. Simple. And many people take that hard. You know, when the market doesn't go the way that they expected it, they allow their emotional feelings get in the way of trading. So you can tell that it was probabilistic that our forecast will go against us. And right there at 28 cents, when we did our video, we was trading right around 27. Go back and check out our video. We did say that resistance was at 28 cents and that the market could find weakness there. And not long after we did our video, it definitely found that weakness, and the market continued to move lower and lower and lower. So now, looking at this chart now, we would have came out of this trade right here on this particular day on the 25th of February because the market breached and tagged well below our ascending line. The trend of this market and basic attention token was broken on that day. That was your clue that the trend has changed. So we would have been down 14.62%, or still into the market now as of this recording, 51 point, almost 52%. You're being down right now. Half of what the market was trading at on the 22nd day of February to today's date is half of your value of the money that you would have placed in the trade. So now let's get rid of that and let's talk about the market now in basic attention token. All right, now we are trading all the way down here at 13 cents. There's no need for us to continue to hold this line there in basic attention token at 28. So what we're going to do, I'm going to transpose this line here and we're going to use it to where the market is trading. So right there around 16 cents, maybe a little bit lower, is where the market is finding some resistance. Okay, let's get rid of this line there and zooming in. Many cryptocurrencies are trading the same way today. We're seeing pretty good movement into the market on today's trading day. Many cryptocurrencies are up about 5-6%. This is no exception. This is doing the same exact thing. But the concern in the near term, as with many cryptocurrencies, is the inability of these currencies to breach resistance higher. Okay, so we are trading near a resistance area in basic attention token right now, and the consecutive days of the market in basic attention token unable to successfully tag above 14 cents is a cause of concern. I'm not fooled into thinking just because we're up 6% right now in basic attention token that the market is a buy right now. I won't feel that way until basic attention token tags up above 14 cents on a precursor of strength bar. If you don't see that precursors of strength, then the market is not strong. It's just going to fool you. Okay. So here's an hourly time frame looking at the market and basic attention token. And again, I don't see it yet. I just did a video for XRP and I don't see it here neither in terms of market viability and its in basic attention token ability to move higher. I just don't see it yet. So like what I did in XRP, you can do the same thing in basic attention token, is that the market is following the trend, right? So yeah, in the near term, you can see the market in basic attention token move higher. But concern comes in around 14 to 15 cents for resistance. How high can the market really go in basic attention token is the question that needs to be answered. And unfortunately, you can't really get that right now. You just understand that the market in basic attention token is giving us strength as of this moment. But for us, from our standpoint, we want to play this in the long term, and you just got to let the market see if it's going to have enough juice to breach and tag up above 14 to 15 cents. If that doesn't happen over the next couple of 4-hour price bars, best believe that this ascending line right here is going to be broken to the downside. So look for that. So what we're going to do, just like I did in XRP, we're not going to put in a forecast into the market. We got to sit the sideline and wait to see what occurs as the market in basic attention token comes to this particular area around 14 cents to 15 cents. Because if more sellers come through, if the volume increases and weakness appears, then yes, we are guaranteed to continue to see these cryptocurrencies move lower. And that goes along with XRP too. All right, so we're just going to sideline the market, let them figure it out what they want to do. And then once we get the gauge as to how they're trying to play it, then that's when we'll participate. And we're just not getting that right now. So right now, we're just going to sideline the market in basic attention token, allow it to do what it do. And we're paying attention to see certain clues, because if the clues appear, then we know that we were correct in our presumptions of the market breaking this ascending line to the downside. That's what we're waiting for those clues to appear. It's kind of like a forecast. You're just simply waiting to see what's going to occur at this level. We're waiting for the market to approach this area right here, because once basic attention token trades in this area, we'll get a better idea to whether or not strength is going to continue to push this market higher, or will weakness appear and push this market lower. So we're waiting. Just be patient. So that's it. We're not going to give a forecast out in the market for basic attention token today. Just going to wait. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.